Introducing Spilltration SmooshKit, small enough to pack anywhere but mighty enough to be your first line of defense against oil spills, even in the rain. Everything that you need to contain oil and fuel spills until help arrives. The original 5-gallon SmooshKit contains oil chamois towels, husky pads, a pair of gloves, and a disposal bag. Can't believe your eyes? We smooshed them to take up 400% less space than traditional 5-gallon oil spill kits. What is smooshing? That's our proprietary process of compressing our spilltration materials into compact little packages that can fit just about anywhere. With SmooshKits, you can fit 25 gallons of absorbency into one competitor's 5-gallon tote. Whether you need to clean up diesel fuel, transformer oil, hydraulic fluid, motor oil, or other hydrocarbons, you can be sure that you are always prepared. Saves space, saves money, and saves sanity. What's not to love? Just look at how much space you save when you get rid of the outdated absorbents that you've been using. Store a SmooshKit behind your seat, under your seat, or in your toolbox. Where would you tuck your SmooshKit? You need spill control that works, rain or shine. Try Spilltration products today at HalenHardy.com.